I tested many action cameras recently, and now I'm gonna rank the 20 most popular action cameras of 2024. Links to all of these action cameras will be listed in the description below. Number 1. GoPro Hero 12 Black. The GoPro Hero 12 Black is a solid action camera with fantastic stabilization, HDR video, and a new tripod mount. However, it's very similar to the Hero 11 Black, and the low-light performance is still lacking compared to the DJI Osmo Action 4. If you're a filmmaker or a vlogger, you'll appreciate the 10-bit log capture and time-coded footage. But for casual users, the improvements might not justify the upgrade. Given its high price and incremental upgrades, I'm placing the GoPro Hero 12 Black in the great tier. Number 2. DJI Osmo Action 4. The DJI Osmo Action 4 impresses with its large 1 to 1.3 inch sensor, excellent low-light performance, and magnetic mounting system. The front touchscreen is a game changer for vloggers, and the quick charging feature is super convenient. However, it falls short in resolution compared to the GoPro Hero 12 Black, maxing out at 4K 120 FPS. And despite this, its price and features make it a strong contender. I'm putting the DJI Osmo Action 4 in the great tier. Number 3. Insta360 ONE RS. The Insta360 ONE RS is all about versatility with its modular design, allowing you to switch between 4K 360-degree and 1-inch sensor modules. It offers good stabilization and sharp 4K video, but the small preview screen and minor image quality issues can be a drawback. If you need modular flexibility and high-quality 4K video, this is a great choice. However, the price is a bit steep for what it offers, so I'm placing the Insta360 ONE RS in the good tier. Number 4. Insta360 Go 3. The Insta360 Go 3 is a fun, tiny camera that's perfect for creative shots and social media content. It's super portable and easy to use, but the image quality isn't up to par with some serious action cameras. The price has also increased significantly, making it less attractive for what it offers. If you're looking for a secondary camera for unique angles, it's great, but not as your main action cam. Therefore, I'm putting the Insta360 Go 3 in the average tier. Number 5. Akaso Brave 7 LE. The Akaso Brave 7 LE is a budget-friendly action camera that offers decent 4K video and 20-megapixel photos. It comes with a lot of accessories and has dual screens, which is great for vlogging. However, the video quality is poor, especially in well-lit conditions, and the stabilization isn't on par with higher-end models. For the price, it's a good entry-level option, but it doesn't compete with the big names. I'm placing the Akaso Brave 7 LE in the average tier. Number 6. GoPro Hero 11 Black. The GoPro Hero 11 Black is a powerhouse with its new 1 to 1.9 inch sensor, 10-bit color, and hyper-smooth 5.0 stabilization. It's perfect for social media creators thanks to the 8:7 aspect ratio, which makes cropping for different platforms a breeze. However, it still struggles with low light performance, and the native microphone could be better. For its versatility and feature set, I'm placing it in the great tier. Number 7. Insta360 X3. The Insta360 X3 is a solid 360 camera with a new 1 to 2 inch sensor, 5.7K video, and a fantastic 2.29 inch touchscreen. It's user-friendly and offers great stabilization, but the audio quality isn't much better than a regular action camera, and it lacks some advanced features. Given its price and performance, I'm putting it in the good tier. Number 8. GoPro Max. The GoPro Max is a versatile 360 camera with excellent stabilization and a user-friendly interface. It's great for vlogging and action shots, but it's limited to 1080p in hero mode and lacks full manual control. For its unique features and ease of use, I'm placing it in the good tier. Number 9. Insta360 Ace Pro. The Insta360 Ace Pro offers 8K video and 48 megapixel stills, but its Leica optics and internal audio are disappointing. It's also more expensive than its rivals, which makes it hard to justify the price. Despite its high resolution, the overall performance doesn't match up, so I'm putting it in the average tier. Number 10. GoPro Hero 10 Black. The GoPro Hero 10 Black is a solid action camera with a GP2 processor, 5.3K 60 and 4K 120 video capabilities. It's more responsive than its predecessors and offers great slow-mo options. However, it still has issues with low light performance and battery life. Considering its price drop, it's a great value for money. I'm placing it in the great tier. Number 11. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a fantastic little camera with a 1-inch sensor that significantly improves image quality, especially in low light. The 2-inch touchscreen that flips sideways is a game changer for vlogging, and the advanced subject tracking is super handy. However, it's quite expensive compared to its predecessor, and the menu system can be a bit unintuitive. This camera is perfect for vloggers and content creators who need high-quality stabilized footage on the go. Given its price and performance, I'm placing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 in the great tier. Number 12. Wolfang GA400. The Wolfang GA400 is a budget-friendly action camera that offers 4K 60 FPS video and up to 20 megapixel stills. It's waterproof without a case and comes with a bunch of accessories. However, it lacks the ultimate 4K detail and filmmaker-style options that more expensive cameras offer. It's great for basic vlogging and outdoor adventures, but not for professional use. Considering its price and features, the Wolfang GA400 lands in the good tier. Number 13. GoPro Hero 9 Black. The GoPro Hero 9 Black is a solid action camera with a new 23.6 megapixel sensor that shoots 5K video and offers excellent stabilization with HyperSmooth 3.0. The front display is a nice addition for vlogging, but the camera can overheat, and the touchscreen can be unresponsive at times. It's a great choice for action sports enthusiasts and vloggers who need high-quality video. Despite some minor issues, the GoPro Hero 9 Black deserves a spot in the great tier. Number 14. Insta360 ONE-R. The Insta360 ONE-R is a unique modular camera that can shoot both 360-degree and 4K video. The modular design is innovative, allowing you to swap out lenses, but it comes with some compromises. The image quality isn't quite up to par with GoPro, and the small screen and software issues can be frustrating. It's a versatile camera for those who want to experiment with different types of video, but it's not the best in any single category. Therefore, I'm placing the Insta360 ONE-R in the average tier. Number 15. Akaso Brave 4 Elite. The Akaso Brave 4 Elite is a budget action camera that offers 4K 60 FPS video and 20 megapixel photos. It has a dual screen design and decent image stabilization, but it struggles with high-resolution video and can overheat. It's a good option for casual users who need a cheap camera for basic action shots and vlogging. Given its limitation and price, the Akaso Brave 4 Elite falls into the average tier. Number 16. Insta360 ONE X2. The Insta360 ONE X2 is a solid 360-degree camera with excellent stabilization, a functional touchscreen, and a waterproof design. The editing app is top-notch, making it easy to create stunning videos. However, the video quality isn't as sharp as some competitors, and connecting to the phone can be finicky. For its price and features, I'd place the Insta360 ONE X2 in the great tier. Number 17. Insta360 ONE X3. The Insta360 ONE X3 takes everything good about the ONE X2 and amps it up. It has a larger, brighter screen, better battery life, and improved video quality with a new 48 megapixel sensor. The ability to switch between 360 and single lens modes adds versatility, and the editing software remains a strong point. Given its enhancements and competitive pricing, the Insta360 ONE X3 earns a spot in the God tier. Number 18. Tactacam 6.0. The Tactacam 6.0 is designed with hunters in mind, featuring 4K 60 FPS video, 8x zoom, and excellent image stabilization. The touchscreen displays a significant upgrade and it's waterproof up to 30 feet. However, it's quite niche, primarily catering to hunting and outdoor filming, which limits its broader appeal. Considering its specialized use and solid performance, I'd place the Tactacam 6.0 in the good tier. Number 19. DJI Action 2. The DJI Action 2 is a mixed bag. It has a unique modular design, excellent stabilization, and a wide field of view. However, it suffers from overheating issues, limited battery life, and the need for additional modules for extended functionality which aren't waterproof. Despite its innovative design, these drawbacks are significant, so I'm putting the DJI Action 2 in the average tier. Number 20. Apex Cam 4K. The Apex Cam 4K is a budget-friendly action camera that offers 4K video recording and a variety of accessories. While it's affordable, the video quality and stabilizations are not on par with higher-end models. It's a decent entry-level option but lacks the polish and performance of more expensive cameras. Given its price and basic functionality, I'd rank the Apex Cam 4K in the bad tier. So there you have it. These are my personal ratings for all of the most popular action cameras of 2024. Links to all of these action cameras will be in the description below. So whether you agree with me on these rankings or not, don't forget to leave a comment down below. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.